everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have a really big candle haul for you. I've got a lot of things. I've got some from Bath & Body Works, and I've got this new candle brand that I've just discovered that I want to share with you guys. So let's get into it. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We got a lot of fun, festive stuff going on over on Instagram, so if you do follow me, thank you so much in advance. And be sure to subscribe, because I did check my analytics the other day, and it actually seems like 82% of you guys are not actually subscribed to this channel. So if you like the content, click the subscribe button. It is free to do and it helps support, so thank you. Okay, into the haul. I've got a couple. Okay, so I got these Bath & Body Works candles a while ago, but I didn't haul them because I only had 3, but I got some other ones from a brand that I recently found, so now I have 7 to show you. So we'll go ahead and start off with one Bath & Body Works candle, and we'll kind of do it like back and forth, one Bath & Body Works, one from the other brand, you know. So the first one that I did pick up is called Fresh Balsam. I actually got these when they were having it was a sale going on. I think it was like buy 2 get 1 free, or each one was like $11 or something, because Bath & Body Works candles are very expensive. They're like $24 originally, so if you can get them on sale, I'd highly recommend it. But this one is Fresh Balsam, and this one's so cute. It's got little Christmas trees on it, and I think this balsam one is such a iconic Christmas scent. I've already been burning this. I need to cut down the wicks. Done. I got the wicks cut, but this one is really nice. It's very fresh. The notes of this one are woodland balsam, eucalyptus, fir branches, cedar wood, and essential oil. Very clean, kind of smells a little bit like a forest, but I'm super into that. I don't have the world's best nose. I say this in every single candle video I film, and I guarantee you a lot of people are like, well, if you can't smell them, why do you have candles? I can smell them sometimes. I can't. My dad has the most sensitive nose known to man, and he can smell a fart from like 2 miles away. It is nuts. But I was not blessed with that, and I can't smell much. I can smell a little bit, but I can't smell very much. But this one is really nice. I can smell them more when they're actually lit, but this one is a staple, and I feel like everyone and their mom should have the Fresh Balsam candle, especially in the wintertime, because it just reminds me of like a forest, snow on the ground. I don't know, I really like it. So I got this one. Moving on to this other brand. This is a brand that I recently have found. It is called Mythology Candle, and I am so obsessed with them. Like, I genuinely love these, I think, more than the Bath & Body Works ones, I'm not gonna lie, because for any of you guys that don't know, I'm actually quite a big nerd. I play a lot of video games. I love my PC. I have a custom built PC. I have a PlayStation 4, but most of my games that I play are on PC. My favorite games include Magic the Gathering, D&D, anything fantasy related, and I play a lot of games on Steam, so like I love anything fantasy related. It's like my favorite thing. But these candles are by a girl named Ilia. She is the owner, I believe, and all of these candles are like fantasy inspired. She has some that are Lord of the Rings themed. Lord of the Rings is my favorite franchise of all time. It's my favorite book, it's my favorite movie, it's my favorite everything, and I'm obsessed. So I got 4 candles here. 2 of them are Lord of the Rings themed, and 2 of them are Chronicles of Narnia themed, and it was so great. But this is the first one. It is called the White Witch. These are all wood wick candles. I've been burning this one, so you can see it's a little charred, but they are wood wick candles, so they do make that really nice crackling fire sound when you light them. So great. But here are what they look like, and I just love the design so much. And this one smells like icy peppermint, crisp apple, and fiery spice. This one just screamed wintertime to me, you guys. It just made me, I was so excited when I found these. I can smell this one even better. Like, I feel like these ones are pretty strong, so I can smell them a bit better, but I'm obsessed with this, and I love the like amber, kind of burnt amber color. I'm so in love with these, and they all have these little kinds of lids that are airtight, and I love this. This is one of my favorite brands for candles right now. Next up from Bath & Body Works, I have this one right here. This is called Sweater Weather. I love the little designs on here. They're all so bloody cute. And these ones have little snowflakes. And this one, I have burned all of these. And this one is really, really nice as well. And these ones, if you know Bath & Body Works candles, they are, I believe, soy candles. But they have regular wick. So they don't have, at least these ones don't have the wood wick. But this one is sage, juniper berry, eucalyptus, fresh woods, and essential oil. So again, really clean, really fresh, kind of earthy, but I do like the juniper berry. It gives it a little bit of like sweetness, I guess, but yeah, it is really nice. I do like it a lot, and this one is just so cute. Can you imagine having this like sit on your, I have black all over my finger because I'm trying to trim the wicks with my finger. Don't do that. But can you just imagine this one like sitting on your coffee table or somewhere up high during the winter time? It's just, I love it. It's so great. So I got this one from Bath & Body Works. The next one I got from Mythologie Candle is a Lord of the Rings themed one, and it is called Breeze Spice Market. And this one, I was so excited when I saw the Lord of the Rings. It's called like Tale inspired, I believe. But this one, I have two that are Lord of the Rings themed, and this one is citrus peel, clove buds, cinnamon, and sweet vanilla. It says mood, where men and hobbits dwell, merchants, messengers, and explorers come together to feast and barter. It's brie. It's literally brie, and not the cheese. If you know, in Lord of the Rings, there is a place called Bree that is literally like a market. It's like a very bustling kind of market, really. And people sell spices, people sell all kinds of stuff, and it's a great place. So this one, of course, again has the wood wick candle. I've not burned this one yet, so you can see what it looks like without being burnt. And these candles are an all-natural coconut soy wax, and I think some of them are a coconut blend. Absolutely beautiful. I love the smell of this one too. You can really smell the cinnamon in this one, so it makes it kind of like spicy. I like it a whole lot. We'll go ahead and do one more from Mythology and just get these done, and then we'll do the last one from Bath & Body Works. This one from Mythology is another one from the Chronicles of Narnia, and it is called Tea with a Fawn. If you know Mr. Tumnus from Chronicles of Narnia, he's like my favorite character. He's the sweetest. He's so precious, and he's great. Chronicles of Narnia was the first movie that I saw James McAvoy in, and I didn't know who he was at the time, but I believe Chronicles of Narnia was one of his like biggest breakout roles, and I have really enjoyed James McAvoy ever since. I think he's a phenomenal actor, but this one is adorable, and it is Tea with a Fawn, and the notes on this one are sweet ginger, white tea leaves, and a soft bed of musk and sandalwood. I love this. And it says mood. A surprise encounter between a girl and a fawn, an invitation to tea following the orders of a queen, and a bewitching melody played on his flute, lulling her to sleep. I'm obsessed. Like literally, I can go on and on about this brand. This one's actually really nice. I can smell this one a lot. But they have ones that are like D&D themed as well. Like there's one called like Dwarven Forge. I have a feeling that one's gonna be more of like a masculine scent, but I think all of them are kind of unisex. But I could just imagine Dwarven Forge being in like a man cave or something like that, you know what I mean? Or even if you were having like a D&D session, you could have Dwarven Forge burning in the background, and it just sets the mood. Yes, so I love this one. It's adorable. I'm super excited. If you notice, these two do look a little bit different. This one is a little bit taller. This one is the Chronicles of Narnia. This is their winter collection, and these are the Tale inspired ones, the Lord of the Rings ones. These ones are a little bit taller, but not too much. And by the way, this is not sponsored. I just really love this brand. Last one from Bath & Body Works, we have none other than Winter Candy Apple, you guys. This one I feel like is such a vibe. It is literally like the quintessential winter candle, and I'm obsessed with it. If you have a fear of holes, please, I'm gonna cover this. But if you can see right here, I have burned it a little bit. There was some bubbling and I popped the bubbles just now, and now there's holes. So I don't want to trigger anybody. I actually, believe it or not, have a slight fear of holes, like honeycomb. I forget the actual word. I believe it's like trypophobia or trichophobia, something along those lines. But even though there's only 5 little holes in this right now, it's kind of grossing me out. Anyways, but yeah, this one is such a quintessential winter favorite, and the notes on this one are candied apples, crisp pear, and oranges with essential oil. This one is my favorite one from Bath & Body Works during the winter time. I knew I had to get this one because it just smells so good. I just love it to literal pieces. It's my favorite one. I've actually burned this one more than any of my other Bath & Body Works. I've done this one and Cider Lane the next most because I love Cider Lane so much. But I already hauled that one for you. But look at the front. You got a little reindeer with presents and a sleigh. It's just so cute. I'm obsessed. And then lastly, from Mythology Candle, we have a tiny little one. If you spend over $50 right now, at least, they're having a promotion to where if you spend over $50, they'll give you a free 2-ounce candle, and you can choose the one you want. This is King of the Wood Elves, and this one is another one that is Lord of the Rings themed, and it's a little 2-ounce candle. These ones have a regular wick because they're 2 ounces, so these ones just have a normal wick. I'm gonna look up the notes for you because it doesn't have the notes directly on the thing here. Okay, King of the Wood Elves, it says mood. An immortal king, a fair being, graceful and swift with a bow, ruling from his forest kingdom undefeated. Notes of fresh herbs, lavender, cider, and cypress on a soft bed of cashmere woods. I don't know what it is. This literally reminds me of like Rivendell. Even though I know Rivendell is not home to the Wood Elves, that is Mirkwood, I do believe. But it just reminds me, let's just say Mirkwood, because it just smells so good. It's so foresty. I just feel like this is exactly what the Wood Elves home would smell like. I'm so into it. So yeah, I'm in love. But you guys, those have been my candles. Let me know which one you thought would be the best for you. If you guys have not heard of the Mythology Candle, I will 100% have their link in the description if you want to check them out and support them, because again, this is not sponsored in any way by them. I just really love these, and I did pay for these with my own money, but I really love this brand and I'm super into it, so I want to try to help them as much as I can, and just kind of, if you are into this kind of stuff, if you want to support them, the link's in the description. But yeah, you guys, that has been my candle haul. I hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!